you heard about the golden rule of thirds? Or have you heard that it's against the law to crush black levels and blow out highlights? Apparently there's rules to photography. But I say let's do like Daido Moriyama, one of my favorite photographers, and one of my not so favorite bands, Judas Priest. Let's break the law, break them all. Good morning, hi, and welcome to my channel. Let's have a cup of coffee and talk about rules in photography. Rules that mostly are ridiculous and plain stupid. So who wrote them? If we begin there, the old masters of our wonderful craft? I don't think so. That would be like saying Black Sabbath invented heavy metal and every other band must follow the rules of Black Sabbath. That wouldn't be so progressive, would it? Okay, if you're new to photography, you can use these so-called rules as guidelines while developing your creative voice and then start break them one by one. When people talk about rules of art and photography, I cringe, because photography is art and art should not be bound by rules. But I had a coworker who could not stop quoting the rule book of photography, and if you broke them, all hell's magma should pour down on you like a summer rain. To me it's quite simple. Like I said, photography is a form of art and art should not be bound by rules in any way. Some of the world's best artists, painters, photographers, and so on, they didn't follow the rules. Yet no one obviously told Picasso that he did something wrong with his paintings and sculptures, and see where he is now was. And besides, how on earth are you supposed to improve if you don't break a few rules? Okay, you shouldn't break traffic rules and the laws of your country or other countries, but when it comes to art, just break all the rules. Here though are a couple of rules that I think is too much fun not to talk about and not break as often I can and you can. The first rule is golden and blue hours. For perfect light, can you only shoot 2 hours a day? Yeah, I wouldn't think so. Instead, you should learn how to use the existing light to your advantage instead of just shooting for 2 hours a day. I mean, hard light, for instance, can make a black and white image stand out like a hitchhiker's thumb on the highway roadside, or learn how to use nature's own softboxes, like the clouds. And there's the second rule, the rule of third. Always place your subject in 1/3 of the image and forget about the other 2/3. There are many other ways to take a photograph and get the viewer's attention, like using leading lines, colors, shapes, situations. And by doing that, you have 2 more thirds of the canvas to use. And there's the third rule. Never blow out highlights or crush black levels. Blown highlights or crushed black levels will destroy your photograph, as the good book says. I'll say, blow them out. If it serves a purpose, high contrast creates drama, emotion, especially in black and white. If you don't believe me, go watch the movie Lighthouse, or watch Ripley on Netflix. Beautiful black and white series and film. Rule number 4. Always follow trends and use the newest megapixel monsters that influencers talk about on social media and YouTube. No one will notice you if you don't follow these trends. Don't be afraid. Isn't it better to be seen for your own work, not copies of trends or other photographers on social media? It's a heck of a lot more fun. Now, there's one rule to follow, the one rule that binds the galaxy together, the ruler of all rules, the one rule to rule them all. And that is, have fun and do your thing. Other than that, come on, Be nice, be polite, be respectful. A good way to be known, I believe. So, anyway, thank you for watching, and next time I'll be talking about something else. But now, I'm going to have a cup of coffee, edit this video, and just enjoy life, and go out and shoot. See you in a week or so. Bye for now.